Did you know there are over 150 edible types of clams? Today, we're diving into the rich diversity of these mollusks and how they're used in various cuisines worldwide. Clams are bivalve mollusks that live buried under sand or mud. They have a wide range of culinary applications, from traditional Japanese dishes to classic American clam chowder. In Japan, three popular varieties are Shijimi corbicula japonica, Asari, Venerupus philippinarum, and Hamaguri, Meretrix lusoria. These clams can be found in soups like miso or hot pots. The quahog, also known as hard clam, comes in various sizes and names such as littleneck, topneck, cherrystone, and chowder. These names reflect the clam's size and use. Quahogs are known for their tightly clam size and use. Shells and can be white, cream, brown, or gray. Their growth rings help determine the age of these clams. Clam varieties play a significant role in culinary traditions worldwide, from Japanese mixed seafood dishes to American clam bakes. Each variety offers unique flavors and textures. Despite the vast number of edible clams, only a handful are commonly available commercially. The diversity in clam varieties contributes to their versatility in global cuisine. So there you have it, the fascinating world of clams. Which variety surprised you most? Let us know in the comments below.